Have you ever wanted to make your Canva designs more interactive, like adding a Gmail link so people can instantly email you with one click? Well, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that in the simplest way possible. Let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. You can use any element, a piece of text, a button, or even an image. To link your Gmail address, just select the item you want to make clickable. Now, look at the top toolbar and find either the three dots or the chain link icon. That's the link option. Click on it, and a small box will appear asking for a link or URL. Here's the key part. Instead of a normal website link, you'll type this format: mail to your email at gmail.com, replacing your email with your actual Gmail address. For example, if your email is hello@gmail.com, type mail to hello@gmail.com in the box. Then click done. That's it. Your element is now linked directly to your Gmail. Whenever someone clicks it in a downloaded PDF file or during a Canva presentation, it'll automatically open their default email app, ready to send you a message. It's a small touch, but it instantly makes your designs look more professional and functional, perfect for resumes, portfolios, or digital business cards. And that's how you add a Gmail link in Canva. Simple, quick, and super useful. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to keep exploring more Canva tricks to make your design stand out.